Okay, guys, so today for dinner, I made this super salad, and I'm just gonna show you guys what else I add into it. But as you can see, I have those fresh chickpeas in here. I have some eggs for protein, and I have also some feta cheese. I have red onions and red bell peppers, and I am going to add chicken breast as well, and my vinaigrette, and yeah. Oh my god, so you guys, this is it, and voila, it's totally done. As I told you guys, so this is the salad that I made today for dinner. So we have our lettuce here, we have some chickpeas in here, and grilled shrimp, and also some grilled chicken. So um of course, we want to make it heavy, because this is the only when I say heavy, we just need our protein also, because this is it, it's really your whole dinner. And also we have some red onions and cucumber in here, and also our bell pepper. Okay guys, so bon appetit, and see you guys soon.